Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi everyone, my name is Tsholofelo Sepharagatlhe. I'm born and bred here, and I'm the founder of Mosadi Temo Organics. Mosadi Temo Organics is Mosadi View 40030, Mosadi View next to Buphelong Special School. And I found my business in 2023. Okay, why I started my business? It was because we all know, okay, climate change, and many people talking, or rather advocating for climate change, but good in paper, but when it comes to practicality, they fail. And one of the things that for climate change in it's waste in the landfills and so, and I had an idea for what is it, because circular economy says as well, instead of disposing of waste, reuse the waste into creating a very tangible product, eco-friendly and as well really healthy for Batu. And then that's when I came up with the idea of I went and studied vermiculture, and then that's when I came up with the idea of worm farming, and then I collect waste into breeding the buku to make my organic fertilizer. So I collect waste, your your eggshells, your bones, whatever that you see as waste. Now I reuse waste into creating this, into breeding these worms, and then my organic fertilizers. So in a nutshell, vermiculture and smart vermicomposting. So vermiculture is the breeding of worms, and then vermicomposting is the result of vermiculture. So the organic liquid fertilizers, we have our organic compost, and then we sell the worms. They breed them because our type of worms, they have the ability to decompose waste into releasing rich nutrients to the soil. They help mitigating the pH levels if you are not sure of the pH levels. And then the organic seedlings as well. It's organic seedlings, liquid fertilizer, and our compost as well. My products are accessible anywhere in the country. Last thing I deliver go Windhoek, and then people are purchasing from Sandton, from wherever, Gauteng. I have customers from there. So with my products, as I've mentioned before, what set me apart from my competitors is that the competitors it's that my products are 100% organic. The chemicals that are used in my fertilizers. So, and it's very healthy for the environment. There is the chemical, and then there are no GMOs. So that's why people should come visit me and purchase. GMOs, there are no chemicals, fertilizers. So you grow your food organically. Hence, we have also the organic seedlings, so that you just buy them and then you transplant. You know you are eating healthy, and it's 100% organic, because people say organic, but then they used some certain or some sort of chemicals, rather more the fertilizers or more the composting. So you find our address, it's 40030 Mosadi View next to Buphelong Special School, Momafikeng. And then you find us on Facebook, Mosadi Temo Organics, and then my cell phone number is 065 576 5477. Hi, my name is Tsholofelo Sepharagatlhe, and I am the Township Entrepreneur.